Daddy. Oh, bless you. Bless you, little Bubba. This is day one. And we're all almost ready for bed. What's wrong? Morning, sunshine. He's ready for bed. Where's Pups? Hello, Pups. Show us your bed. He's very excited about sleeping on the floor tonight.
Oh yes.
First night in
It's going to be a
the
highly
hospital.
comfortable sleeping place.
See little Bubba look like? Oh, that's a bit of a scary profile picture. Anyway, that's our little Bubba. We don't have a name for her yet. It's only a few hours old, so there's no rush.